Welcome to the Unity Code, a proven path to a peace-filled home, security, and lasting joy. Let's take a quick look inside. The Unity Code is a cornerstone course within the Harmony Blueprint, the system designed to unlock the keys to life's greatest symphony of relational wholeness. Here we take the vision of the Harmony Blueprint, building harmony in every relationship, and apply it to the twin challenges every modern family faces: sibling rivalry and screen time balance, bringing lasting harmony home. Proven, refined, transformational, and ready to unlock your family's potential. Tap the link in our profile to explore the full walkthrough and receive our free gift for you.